Hello friends. So here I am once again welcoming you all to my very important masterclass on my pilot program Conquer Your Mind. As all of you are aware that I had been conducting hundreds of webinars on the major elements to master your mind, like CBT, emotional intelligence, mindfulness, confidence, happiness, and stress. So basically, when I conducted these webinars and conducted these life coaching courses, I met a lot of people, and I found that people who have taken up these niches as their life coaching business have succeeded tremendously in last 1.5 years. So basically, I decided to conduct a very exhaustive masterclass for all these 6 elements in one particular session, which can be 2 hours or more, and I should give you the maximum knowledge for all these 6 elements to rewire your mind and conquer your mind. I would like to tell you that I had conducted these courses for life coaching for hundreds of people, and I find and I feel really happy that people who have taken up these courses or these elements to change themselves are really happy today. So I would like you to join me for this pilot program of mine, that is Conquer Your Mind. As Guru Nanak Dev has said that conquer your mind and you will conquer the world. So let's work on it and join me on this masterclass. Looking forward to see you, and I would like to remind you once again that here I will be providing you a fantastic ebook with all the systems and tools for these 6 elements and the exercises for you to carry on in your life, which may be a self-help process, and you will be able to work on your emotional state, your mental and cognitive faculties, and certainly you are going to gain lot of benefits from these activities. So looking forward to see you. Have a great time and join me on 31st July. The details will be available at my registration form. You can very well go to my site and register yourself, and let's meet on that particular day. Thank you.